Broccolini. First time namin magtanim ng broccolini dito sa garden at ito rin yung aming first harvest. Exactly 2 months ago nung tinanim namin itong mga broccolini kasama itong mga ibang gulay dito sa raised beds na ito. Dating mga succulents yung mga nakatanim dito sa raised beds pero nilipat namin ito sa mga pots na makikita nyo sa likod namin para mapalitan namin ng mga gulay itong mga raised beds. Ang pinakauna ko kasing mga plants na tinanim ay mga succulents.
You change to plant it. I love planting, Mommy.
You're not planting? Mama loves planting too.
Yahoo!
Lahat pala nitong mga gulay na tinanim ko dito sa raised beds ay mga seedlings na binili ko. That's what we planted, remember? Oh, do you like it? Oh, wala nang luto-luto. Do you want the broccolini? That one. Break it. Like that.
Can you eat it raw?
Yeah, you can eat it.
I don't like raw broccoli.
It's okay. Just put it away. We can cook it later.
Bitter. I hate bitter.
It's bitter. What about you, Mika? What does it taste? Good. I'll taste it. It's not bitter. It's just same as the broccoli. Yeah, but I like it better when it's cooked. But Mika like it when it's raw. You see? Here. Mmm. Oh, yum. Kumuha ulit. Oh, you want to eat that? Oh. Yum. Oh, do you like raw broccoli? Yeah, that's the broccolini we planted. Good job. Yeah, just make sure you look if there are no bugs before you eat them, okay?